African self-powered car shocks the world. Could it be that an African inventor has discovered a way to harness pure dark energy waves, transforming them into electricity to self-power televisions, drones, cars, motorcycles, houses, and anything else that uses electricity? Hold on to your hats because the world is about to witness this physics-defying feat. Imagine a world where cars don't need gasoline, charging stations, or even batteries to run. A world where clean, limitless energy powers our vehicles, revolutionizing the way we travel. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality being created by African inventor Maxwell Chikumbutso. Meet Maxwell Chikumbutso, a visionary inventor from Zimbabwe, who is challenging the boundaries of modern technology. With no formal engineering training, Maxwell has defied the odds to create something extraordinary, the world's first self-powered electric vehicle.
No fuel, nothing.
Nothing, no fuel.
First in the world.
The first in the world.
This is power from the sky.
Yeah, from the radio frequency.
This can happen in Zimbabwe.
Yes, we have done it in Zimbabwe.
Can you explain?
Yeah. So the vehicle, it is powered with what we call a microsonic energy device. That is
That's after
yeah, the vehicle, it uses what we call the microsonic energy device. The microsonic energy device, it is the device that I personally invented in 2009, which harness radio frequencies, converted it into energy. As you know, radio frequencies, they are measured in nanovolts, meaning to say they are less than a volt, they are just like nothing, but we find a way of harnessing it through the creation of the 70% of the components in the microsonic energy, which I've tailor-made, which I've designed. So those are the components that enable the radio frequency to be transferred into pure, useful energy. And this is the first time in the world. With that technology, it violates the laws of energy in thermodynamics and also the first law of energy as well.
So they wanted to arrest him for changing physics.
Yeah, yes. Even when we tried to file a patent, they said we were violating the natural laws of physics. So it's not an industrial applicable. We decided to take the trade secret route after that. So with this car, you can also use it to power your house. It is a moving generator. When you drive from work back to your home, you can connect your power cable, then you can power your house. It gives you 15 kilowatts power to power your house. And the vehicle itself, it has got 160 kilowatts electric motor, which gives you a torque of about 320 to 380 Newton meters of torque. That means it's fast. And we are talking of horsepower of around 215 horsepower. So when we compare this car with the same cars of this model, like the Toyota Urban Cruiser, you will see that this is efficient in everything. When you talk of load, our car doesn't weigh much. It weighs 1,405 kgs only. When you talk of an urban cruiser, you're talking of about 1,800. So that means you can carry extra baggage in the vehicle. Top speed is 220 kilometers per hour. Yeah, which is fast. It has got two driving modes. We have got the sport mode, which will give you 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 2 seconds. That is very, very powerful. Then we've got what we call a normal driving mode. When you want to drive like in town, you can select that one so that it won't give you a lot of torque.
This isn't just another electric car. Maxwell's invention harnesses a revolutionary energy system that generates its own power as it moves. No need for charging stations. No reliance on fossil fuels. Just clean, sustainable energy that keeps the vehicle running indefinitely. So how does it work? Maxwell's invention uses a proprietary electromagnetic system that converts motion and ambient energy into power. As the vehicle moves, it generates its own electricity, creating a self-sustaining energy loop. It's a breakthrough that could redefine transportation as we know it. The popular scientific consensus is that the universe was created out of a Big Bang in which a supercompressed particle of energy exploded. Wrong. Over a decade ago, Professor Momo of the Dogon University of Thought informed us that theory was BS. He taught us that the physical universe came into being through a process in which pure dark energy waves fluxed to form matter. Physicists refuse to even consider pure dark energy wave theory, because it goes against the accepted belief that matter cannot be created or destroyed. They say that when we think that matter is destroyed, it's simply transformed into antimatter. Therefore, in order to prove their beliefs, they've been trying with all their might to find Higgs boson, or God particles as they refer to them. The truth is that matter forms from the known energies of the electromagnetic spectrum, such as gamma waves, X-ray waves, UV waves, and radio waves. Maxwell Chikumbutso's invention of harnessing radio waves and transforming them into usable electricity is only the beginning. Of course, the unethical of this world will never accept Maxwell Chikumbutso's invention. They see it as a threat to energy commodification, which keeps them rich and powerful. Imagine what will happen if Saudi Arabian, American, and Russian oil becomes useless as a form of energy. I think that they would rather drop a nuclear bomb on Africa than to see that happen. They've already tried to kill Maxwell once before. Let's hope that this free energy invention is secured by ethical people. Maxwell's journey hasn't been easy. Faced with skepticism and limited resources, he persevered, driven by a relentless belief in his vision. Today, his invention is gaining global attention, proving that innovation knows no boundaries. Maxwell Chikumbutso's self-powered EV is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of hope, creativity, and the limitless potential of the human spirit. It's a reminder that the future belongs to those who dare to dream. Join us in celebrating the power of innovation. The road to a brighter, cleaner future starts here.